Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to hide photos and videos in calculator on any Oppo phone. Now to do that, just open the Google Play Store. Then in the search bar, just search this. Then install this app on your smartphone. Then tap on Open and tap on Close. Now from this list, just select your language. Then tap on Done. Now from here, just create a 4-digit PIN. Then tap on the equal to button to save. Now just enter your PIN one more time to confirm your PIN. Then tap on the equal to button. From here, tap on skip. Then tap on next. Now just tap on get started. Now to hide photos, just tap on photos. Then enable this toggle. After that, just go back. Then enter your PIN and tap on the equal to button. Then tap on photos. Now just tap on the plus icon. Then tap on gallery. Now from here, just select the photos which you want to hide. For an example, I will select these photos. Now to hide them, just tap on hide. And as you can see, these are all the photos which we have hidden. Now to hide videos, just go back and tap on videos. Then tap on the plus icon and tap on gallery. And from here, just select the videos which you want to hide. Then tap on hide. And as you can see, we have successfully hidden the selected photos and videos in our calculator app. And this is how you can hide photos and videos in calculator on any Oppo phone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.